Everyone is looking for this chicken roll recipe. Simple and delicious. I'll start by cutting 500 grams of chicken breast into fillets, then covering them with plastic wrap and giving them light taps with a meat mallet to make them tender. In this bowl, I'll add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Ketemetsa Galarale from Botswana. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. In another bowl, I'll add 1 egg, half a cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 grated garlic clove, 1 teaspoon of salt, and whisk well. I'll brush the chicken fillets with this delicious sauce I prepared. In a bowl, I'll mix 200 grams of grated mozzarella and chopped parsley to taste. I'll place the filling on the fillets. Tell me, how do you prepare chicken at home? I'd love to know your recipe. Once done, we'll roll up each fillet completely. I'll use this mixture to season our chicken. In this baking dish, I'll add 300 grams of thinly sliced potatoes, then season with 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, and mix. I'll place the chicken on top of the potatoes sprinkle with fine herbs to taste, and finally, brush the sauce over everything. I'll bake it at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After removing it from the oven, I'll add the mozzarella and parsley mixture on top. And I'll bake it for another 15 minutes. The flavor is simply incredible.